how to find your YouTube channel ID on mobile. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your YouTube channel ID using just your phone. So let's get started. First, open up your mobile browser Safari, Chrome, or anything else you use. Go to youtube.com and make sure you request the desktop version of the site. On iPhone Safari, tap the three horizontal lines icon in the address bar. Then tap the three dots and hit Request Desktop Website. On Chrome, tap the three dots and select the same. Once you're in desktop mode, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Then on the left-hand menu, tap Advanced Settings. Scroll down and you'll see both your user ID and channel ID listed there. You might need to zoom out or rotate your phone to see everything clearly. That's it. Now you found your channel ID directly from your phone without needing a computer. If this helped, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.